Hi, and today I'm going to show you my Lego sandwich maker. It can also be a candy machine. It's a pretty cool thing. It's from Indonesian Bricker. So it only accepts quarters. Sorry, I'm not going to be giving the tutorial. So I put this transparent thing here. So you can see the lever a bit. See? And you can twist this around. Hold on. Yeah, you can twist that around. Now, it has a coin bank, which is really hard to get. See? It's really hard, see? Now, first, ignore this. Okay, so, yeah. It works. It needs 75 cents. First for the bread, then the tomatoes, then the lettuce. So, yeah. Now, it's already in the bread part, so take a quarter. Let me just show you. Okay, so then you'll see this. I would suggest you cover this while you pull that because some pieces also come out. And then you pull this lever all the way. See, look. You pull that all the way, then you pull this lever. Okay. There. Now you got lots of Lego pieces. Sorry about the background. You can make 2 sandwiches. That's a pretty good deal. Hold on. Hold on. A Lego piece dropped. Let me just get that. Okay, sorry, I didn't get it. Anyway, so you can make 2 sandwiches. Now, to get your coin back, you have to try to open this, which is somehow difficult to some people. See? This is a quarter. Now, you need 75 cents, so 3 quarters. Let's do this again to get, let's spin it first to get the tomatoes. You can see the back. Hold on. Sorry, there was a jam. So, now let me just show you. Don't push the quarter in too hard. Okay. Okay, now, you see that? All the way back. All the way in. I got bread. Because, yeah, I had to put in all. You can make 1 sandwich. Okay, sorry about that. Anyway, you got 2 pieces of bread. Let's do this again. Second time. Okay.
Not quite. I was promised a movie and some plastic popcorn.
Now you get your tomatoes. Get 4 tomatoes. They're all studs. Okay. Now let's spin this again. Okay. Okay. Now the last time. Then I'll show you the mechanism. Okay. On. Hold on. Okay. So, okay. Now last time, let's just show you last time. See, it came out once you inserted the coin. Now, pull this back. Pull all the way in. Okay. So you get 3 lettuce. Put my invention aside. Let me show you how to make this sandwich. So, it's kind of obvious. You stack all of these studs up. Let me just show you. For $9.99 plus $5.99 processing and handling in any of these cool colors. And we'll also include a second Snackies